na matang di mga rumbong ni Kuya.
Ah.
Thank God it's Friday. It's Valentine's week.
Right.
As well as Black Friday. Oh, Friday the 13th.
Hey, not forgetting, today is World Radio Day.
Don't know
So happy World Radio Day to all the listeners of ETFM
Yeah.
tuning in this beautiful Friday, Black Friday morning.
All right.
Woo, 3.
We say good morning to you all.
Yeah.
Thank you
Right.
very much for being part of the Friday journey.
Right.
This is the day that is a main day for us because
Yes.
it celebrates the World Radio Day. Some of us, we don't know, we never see how the studio look like,
Right.
how the work and basics we are carried through during on air.
Yeah.
Every time we speak,
Yeah.
how we come into our work system, we still sleep. They are talking.
Right.
They are our partners.
Non-stop.
Yeah.
But we thank all the radio announcer. Some they gone,
Yeah.
they gone for life.
Yes.
Some they gone, they change their work site.
Yeah.
They go to overseas.
Right.
But we thank everyone. We thank you, listeners.
Yeah.
Right.
Without you,
Without you, there
Yeah.
will be no radio station.
Yeah.
You are the reason
Yeah.
why we here.
just like in school, where there is
Right.
no student, there is no
Because
teacher.
of you,
Right.
I suffer.
Wara nang ganganisir.
Yeah, we also remember our dear friends who have
Yes.
gone to the next life, who have passed on, who have worked for the
Right.
for the station, during their short stay,
Right.
and Burburungo. We say kita baranumi Mr. Michael Randua and Matadi Kua, as well as our dear friend Tamay Deborah, pakakina be esirawang kasokolala,
Right.
be konongone o stiri pakayama, and mala be sama-sama malanganga dava,
Right.
be akuila berbasanga, to all our friends,
Right.
sa liuania nambula, and se na ngai murid juga na Bongo.
Alright.
To sa the numero 30 ko na bugni World Radio Day and the sika binani kuha. Awa mimbiti ko bikibri nang daw di bito ko ni.
Right.
Na randini pale di mata pale nunto kito sa tabi adikina. And mata di ko tinay chone Michael's wife will be here today.
Yes.
Aben may taloti ko na bugni non raw ambula pa kabe tini. Mata ki Michael Randua. Saya kan ambula pa kataka
Aya.
and ambula ni ndona ilulu ni mata pale.
Right.
O Michael Randua.
Right.
Akito sa ngai tinay debortiko ke ndo mano ni talanoa. Bikibri no kada na pakorongo may Wenimbuku area.
Oh.
To our friends shooting from the Wenimbuku area. Kapag ndo kila na namba ni Mrs. Bermbasanga, etikongori, please do send us the contact so that we can contact her. Mendo talaga mano ni talanono itukutukulaka. Membeliti aku ila Bermbasanga. Now earlier natina sirawang kasokolala. Kita nung sangat talami kita nabi tartarwa and singa binangani ko.
Riaza Ramzan, my USA, good
Yeah.
morning to you. LM69 from Northern Osori, West Tonganibalu, good morning. Tamay Makilesi,
Oh, alam na
all the way from Tonga.
Oh,
Ano
without you, me no more dems.
Pero malo sa rabito karmi kimne do kadal borno su peno lebura ramba lo mresana bo turanga tulu da kaun robin bo maduata er lo mni korle kutu mai votua. Ko sa
Right.
manu sigari kira na matang di bengra di kuwa aro na maruta sigari na non ro Valentine's Day era keke kada binaka go membulim bulita lo ko non Valentine.
Wow.
Okay, Demesi, if you were
Yes.
a mobile phone,
Oh, right.
do you prefer to be iko prefer ta mo button phone or touch screen?
I will cut a mail button.
Why?
Why?
Because every time you press, I make sound.
You feel it.
Yeah, I will cut a mo filter. Nyombombo ka may rorongo. New tangiro wakila. Nyonduri tu wa antena.
Yeah.
Nangona iko binakatakina this day.
Yeah.
No more.
Yeah.
In the past, we know the struggle of replacing battery when the battery low.
Right.
Ngonongo sa ando patanga sa sinong garin luwata.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the time. Au binakatakaya ka nga ubiya malumbalay.
Right.
Question number 3.
Oh.
Question number 3.
Live longer, eh?
If you were
Ha.
the matinisiwa, there are a few types of matinisiwa.
Okay.
But yun ni kabu, nakalalay. Which one would you
Au
rather
binakata ko nakalalay ko nang batini sebu-sebu.
be? Yeah.
Right.
Because when you use ang batini sebu-sebu, niranakan niya nakalilebu. Na ikalilebu.
Yeah.
Ego na sino jaktak. Niyo nakanya nga nanong gusay sa arna tao yung usuna.
If you were chocolate, what kind of chocolate would you like to be?
I will be a white chocolate.
Oh, you want to be a white chocolate.
Ah.
Why? Milky, eh?
Milky chocolate.
Okay.
Because even though it's milky,
Yes.
when you see me black. When you eat me,
Yeah.
you
White.
see the white.
Black outside, white inside.
Ah. Yeah.
Kaya kayo ko mo pini. Okay, just just take out one pin from there.
Oh, so she
I can
said,
show it to the
Wait, so-
viewers this morning.
yeah.
Okay, if you were a pin
Right.
Kami with
like
Wako.
this one,
Yeah.
small one, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Pin drop selling.
Who would you like to pin this? You pin to?
Oh, we pin taki ko.
Mekumbo.
Hey, good morning.
So she said,
yeah.
okay, the Messi, bada mo narorongo, niyo sa press taki.
Eh, mula mo nakako dito ay net.
Okay.
Yeah.
Baka mo super glue tagidi.
Okay, if I want to super glue,
Yeah.
I want to super glue myself
With
with
who?
my enemies.
Oh,
Why?
why?
Because that's the only time
Yeah.
we can forgive each other. We can love each other. Because
Okay.
if he or she wants to run away from me,
Yes.
Yeah.
he unable.
Yeah.
Because we are born together.
Glued together.
We are glued together.
Yeah.
He unable to run.
He has no
unless
choice, eh?
he has no choice.
Yeah.
Unless we build a bridge of forgiveness between
Right.
us.
Don't mo nak.
And then you can,
A flower.
If I was a flower,
right.
Yeah.
I would like to be a hibiscus frangipani.
Hibiscus frangipani, that's two different flowers.
Yeah, mixed vegetable.
This is a mixed one. Or
Hybrid.
a hybrid.
Yeah.
One is beautiful, red colored,
Ah.
without smell, and one is just plain white
Yeah.
with smell.
Okay. The thing is,
Okay.
they come together as one.
Oh.
The color
Yeah.
of the flower, they change depending on the time of the day. Matagalay indo tayo kinaroka.
Camouflage.
Iyon tayo kinaroka ni matagalay.
Yeah.
Ebe bula-bula.
Right.
In the daytime, may vingi. Ni salaya kami sa ando tayo talaga kami sa blue.
Yeah.
Oh,
Saan
okay.
din na?
Yeah. That's a kind of frangipani I want from the...
Kaya mo naman buka.
If I was a manu buka,
Yeah.
I will nakatamulatoy.
Right, Mai.
Okay. Because what you don't see, I
Yes.
see.
Right.
Right.
I'll far away, I got a microscopic eyeball
Right.
Up.
that I can
Like the eagle.
see. Yeah.
Yeah.
From up above.
Right.
Yeah.
But I don't eat the thing that already died.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eh, buka matanga na kambulang-bula.
Oh.
O kanya.
Right.
Insect. If you were insect.
Pamaluwa, sila ko kumelatoy.
Insect.
Yeah.
Bed bugs.
Right. Mai.
Mga insect mo, bed bugs.
Bed bugs, sumele mo lang ako nara. Hindi ko kinaitin ko lang iteres.
If you are a cement.
Oh.
Ikaw mo cement din ito ba?
Ako mo, simente sarangan ni...
Bulong-bulo.
Simente ni bulu-bulu. Melalati lo malang.
Tulong ko, di ko kaya makapan mo nung mukha ko malang.
Menon rin tonton to na yalo. Well, hey, happy World Radio Day, happy Black Friday, go Nrua go,
Yeah.
happy
Right.
Valentine's Day in
Yeah.
advance.
Yeah.
Come together as one.
Yeah.
We
Right.
will meet the only...
Yeah.
Dapat ni macari.
Ito FM singin rin.
Yeah, that's the one. Come. Today we will celebrate the 231 Wayman Road.
Right.